Zebra blinds, also referred to as dual-shaded or two-tone blinds, are a favored option for both homeowners and interior designers. Their distinctive characteristic is the alternating pattern of light and dark stripes, which produces an alluring visual impact suitable for various design aesthetics, such as contemporary simplicity and classic sophistication. The sheer parts of the blinds enable the passage of natural light, while the opaque parts act as a stronger barrier, preventing unwanted light and prying eyes from entering. This two-layer structure allows for the customization of light and privacy levels in any room, making it a versatile option for various spaces and individual preferences. The benefits of zebra blinds. Versatile light control. The control over the amount of light entering the room is unmatched with zebra blinds. Enhanced privacy. Zebra blinds have sections that are opaque, which effectively prevent unwanted views and offer a greater level of privacy compared to conventional sheer curtains or blinds. Improved energy efficiency. Zebra blinds have the ability to regulate the indoor temperature by blocking direct sunlight and minimizing heat absorption. As a result, this can result in reduced energy costs and a more pleasant living space, particularly in the warmer months. Stylish and contemporary design. Zebra window blinds add a contemporary and refined look to any space. Durability and low maintenance. Zebra blinds are commonly crafted from top-notch components that are engineered to withstand everyday wear and tear, as well as prolonged exposure to sunlight. Moreover, they demand very little upkeep, making them a convenient choice for homeowners with hectic schedules. Discover 27 years of dedicated professional crafted window treatment covering solutions with diamond custom shutters today. Please like, share and subscribe.